Hello, welcome to this space where skin and soul meets. Today, I have something very special to share with you. Something that isn't just a soap, it's a caress, a hug for those brave skins that have fought great battles. It's a gentle, regenerating, and deeply healing soap. Perfect for skin damaged by radiation therapy or for those seeking a conscious self-care experience. Every ingredient has been chosen with a purpose, every step with respect, because a skin that has suffered so much deserves to feel alive again. My name is Veronica. Stay until the end, because this will steal your hearts. Let's begin. Today, I introduce you our post-radiation regenerative glycerin soap, a formula made with the utmost care and respect for the most sensitive skin. Those who have undergone cancer treatments and deserve pampering, relief, and deep regeneration. This isn't just any soap, it's natural, handcrafted, and deeply therapeutic. It's based in vegetable glycerin, noble and pure ingredients, free of sulfates and parabens, which gently cleanses while moisturizing and enveloping the skin in comfort from the first use. But do you know what makes this soap truly magical? Its active ingredient. Let's delve deeper into them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay up to date with this video collection dedicated to cancer patients. This is video 4 of 6 free videos where we care for your skin and your soul. Let's explore these powerful active ingredients. First, Aloe Vera gel. Imagine a living balm that magically refreshes, hydrates, and regenerates. Its polysaccharides and enzymes like little heroes, helping to refill your skin, soothe radiation burns, and reduce inflammation. Each drop is a burst of life, a reminder that your skin can be reborn. Next, rice flour, an ancient treasure used in Asia for silky, smooth skin. Its ultra-fine texture gently exfoliates, removing dead cells without irritation, while its B vitamins brighten and balance the skin tone. It's like a restorative veil that leaves the skin soft and radiant. And now, the heart of this soap, Rosehip oil. Few things in nature are as powerful, rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin A. This ingredient is a master of regeneration. It stimulates collagen, softens scars, reduces blemishes, and restores the elasticity your skin deserves. It's the hug that repairs, that heals with tenderness. And to complete this sensual symphony, a few drops of Ylang Ylang essential oil. Its sweet, floral, and enveloping aroma not only beautifies your skin but also caresses your soul. It balances emotions, calms anxiety, improves moods, regulates sebum, and improves circulation. An aromatic embrace for your body and mind. Formula for 100 grams of glycerin soap, 100 grams of SLS-free glycerin base, 4 grams Aloe Vera gel, 2 grams rice flour, 2 grams rosehip oil, 12 drops Ylang Ylang essential oil. Ready to transform natural ingredients into pure love for your skin? Take note. Here we go, and stay until the end to learn more. Prepare the aloe vera leaf. This is key. If you want to learn how to remove aloe, the toxic bark of the leaf, I have a super detailed video you can't miss. Check it out on my channel. Here's a quick rundown. Cut the leaf, remove the ends, and soak it in water for 24 hours to release the aloe. Change the water if it becomes cloudy. And that's it. Your aloe is ready to use. Weight and cut 100 grams of white glycerin base. Use an accurate scale to get the exact amount. Glycerin is the basis of our magic, so handle it carefully. Process the aloe vera shell. Since we'll be using small amounts, grate it in a mortar and pestle or with a coffee grinder, it crushes well. This ensures a perfect blend. Weigh the rosehip oil and rice flour and mix them with the aloe vera shell until they form a smooth paste. This is where the alchemy begins. Add a few drops of Ylang Ylang essential oils to the paste. This ensures it discovers perfectly and infuses your soap with a sense of pure love. Melt the 100 grams of white glycerin base in a double boiler or a microwave in short bursts. Don't heat it so much or it will lose its moisture, and that's hydrate touch we love so much. Add the rosehip oil, rice flour, aloe shea, and essential oils to the paste. Melt its glycerin. Stir gently to combine all the ingredients. Sprinkle a little 96 alcohol over the mixture to eliminate those pesky bubbles. We want perfect soap. Pour the mixture into the mold. Carefully pour the mixture into your favorite mold. This is where your soap begins to take shape. If you live in a cold climate, warm the mold first. Let the soap rest for 3 to 4 hours before removing it from mold. Then wrap it in a plastic wrap to protect it and store in a cool, dry place. This soap isn't just a product, it's a self-care ritual, a caress for your brave skin, and a reminder that you deserve the best. Ready to try it? Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to see upcoming videos in this collection. 16 more formulas to discover. Your skin will thank you. Always consult your doctor. Don't miss my video about Anita Roddick, an inspiring story that will motivate you to give it your all. And just to let you know, we have an incredible contest. You can win one of two 50 euros prizes to buy your first supplies and shine with your Christmas campaign. Don't miss out. You have until October 24th, 2025. Watch the video, participate, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay in the loop. Your Christmas starts here. And don't forget, if you know someone in recovery, give them this small gesture of well-being. Sometimes, a soft lather and a warm sense can mean much more than just a treatment. They can mean hope. Subscribe to discover more natural formulas, because caring for your skin also means caring for your soul. See you in the next video.